Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to access all the resources we have available on our website, including our parts and part numbers. You may be unfamiliar, but we have a whole host of different resources and support tools on our website to support our distributors and our end users. One of these features includes listing all of our parts and part numbers for our various different appliances on our website. I'm going to show you how to access that information on our website and show you exactly where to find it. Firstly, visit our website, borgoverstrom.com. Once there, you should find our homepage, and it should look a little something like this. Once here, across the top of the page, you should have 6 options. You'll have tap systems, water dispensers, about, support, store, and distributor zone. So we're going to be looking for our parts list, which is actually available through our store. So once you mouse over store, you should see some subcategories appear beneath it, one of course being parts. This will take us directly to the parts page, and from there you can access any part for any one of our appliances. Using the filter on the left-hand side of the screen, you can filter by color, compatibility, brand, installation, and part type. So no matter what appliance you have or what brand you have, you can filter it down to the exact one that you have. So for this example, I'm going to use a B4. So if we look at the B4 unit under compatibility, we will highlight that in our filter, and that will show us all the relevant parts for the B4. Now, if you're looking for a particular part, you should be able to find it in this list. When you highlight over each part, you should have the option to quick view it if you'd like to have a closer look. Otherwise, when you click on the part that you are looking for, you'll be taken to a new page that will give you a host of different information about that part, including its part number. You can access this page a different way via our second method. If you go back to our home page and highlight your cursor over our support tab, you will have an option that says exploded diagrams. We do go over the details of what's available in this resource in a different video, so if you'd like to watch that, please do. Otherwise, with support highlighted, make sure you click on exploded diagrams. This will then give you a breakdown of each one of our Borg Overstrom appliances. So whatever one you have, again, you can filter that using the filter on the left-hand side of the screen. These exploded diagrams give you a little bit more information in terms of all the parts that go into it, but if you scroll down, you will have a parts list. That will give you all the information about all of the parts and all of the part numbers that are specifically in that unit. And to access more information on any of these parts, simply click the View in Store button on the right-hand side of the relevant part, and that will take you back to that same page. I hope this has helped give a bit of insight as to the amount of support and resources available on our website. If you'd like to know more, please do visit our website, borgoverstrom.com, for more information. Thank you.